Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video, I have a new stuff from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty I want to share with you guys. And if you want to know what I have got and how I got this glowy skin or even skin for once, the eye look, what I use, and the bronze. So I just want you to keep watching and I will see you on the other side. While you are there guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the other side. In today's video guys, I have this eyeshadow palette. It's called Eyeshadow palette. It's 45 shades. They released 2 of these, but I choose to go with this one. Then we have this they released this new collection of their glow. This one is ultra matte bronzer. I want to try this. This is their glow collection as well. So this is body glow. I wanted to try this from the Fenty Beauty, but Revolution has given us the cheaper version, I would say, with the brush, to apply it on your skin. All these are what we recently got from Revolution. So first thing first, of course, we're gonna do the eyeshadow first. I hope you're doing well, guys. I'm gonna prime my eye with P. Louise base. I'll just dab this down. Look at this beauty, what we have here. What attracted me to this eyeshadow is all this like marble effect they have here. This shimmer, the top layer is like marble. Truly like that idea. I think one of their previous palettes similar to this also have this kind of marble effect. I will just do a bit of swatch for you. I'll go with this and this very one here. Check that out. I don't do swatches a lot, but for now it's all right on my skin apart from this one, but the rest seems okay for now. Go in with this shade. Effortless though. This is effortless. Wow. Gently, kind of blend this area. Gorgeous. Go in with this shade here. This one have a bit of like, I don't know whether this shimmer here falls into this, but yeah, I think so. Okay, what I'm going to do with this tiny little brush, I just want to dip this area. I will take this shade. I will just lighten my brow bone area. Kind of use this shade to blend my brow bone area. Then I'll take this brush again with that previous shade I started with. And I will just blend that all of them together. Because this brush is wider and when you are blending it's better as well. I am going to cut my crease off camera. You know what? I'm going with this. to catch any fallout. Now apply this in center of my lid. I'll apply this one as well. Hear me out, because I'm good now. I'm gonna apply this from Collection Crystal Glam Crystal. Bonjour. So I will just do my waterline with this shade here, this matte shade here on my bottom lash. Wow. I might as well use this to diffuse, so I'll just keep it within the green shade, I guess. Maybe this one. With Barry M eyeliner. Is this? Yeah. See, this what you have here. Isn't it big? Very big. Okay, wish me luck. Guys, I think we found our guy. There we go. Giving my nose some definition, guys. This is a keeper, as you can see. Okay, I will see you in 5 minutes. It's time for this very one. So we've done the eyeshadow palette, we've done the bronzer. I think they Revolution released 3 of these. I'm gonna pull some here. I've never tried something like this before. Okay, because I am quite on a clumsy side. It's already everywhere. I must tell you, it's on my shirt. I don't trust myself at all. Okay, here we go. What do you guys think? Something different? Yes, it's different. This glow is body glow is truly good. They also say you can use it for face. Now let's round this video up. What do I think of everything I got, today from Revolution? Here's my thoughts. When it comes to the eyeshadow palette, 45 shade, the matte shade, very pigmented. All this, I like it. I don't know why I choose this specific one, but I believe because I can do different eye look with it, with all the shimmer shade and stuff like that, the blues, you know, the green. These are what I usually reach for anyway. So this palette is a keeper. I like it. The one here, guys, it worth your money. This is £8. If you want to get the Rihanna one, for example, many people said it's very similar to that one, but that one is slightly like on the warm side. If you want to get that one is about £25. While this one is way bigger than that one. While this one is just £8. See the way it bronzed me. I didn't contour today at all. I didn't contour. I only use this bronze. This worth your money as well. If you fancy, if you want to be like me this summer, you know, just want to have a bit of skin out, check me out right now. Yeah, you want to have a bit of skin out when you go into the beach, you want the lockdown is completely out of the window. Hopefully the weather will stay the way it is right now, and you fancy something like this for your skin, you know, I will highly recommend this. If you cannot afford the Huda Beauty one, or if you cannot afford the Body Lava from Fenty Beauty, this is the cheaper version. It will just do exactly the same thing, in my opinion, and you can get this. So overall, and while you are there, don't forget to get the brush as well. You know, just get the brush to apply on your skin. Proud owner of this bronzer right now. So yeah, Revolution has given the girls, dark skin girls, us bronzer. So this is a winner for this year. Yes, that's it for today, and I like everything I tried today, and I love them. I will keep them all. If you want to go and get yours, you can get them from Revolution website. You can go to Superdrug once you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Makeup Time with Julia. I will see you guys on my very next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Try.